Let me show you. Yeah, it's really detuned because of the LFO here. And the LFO is not just usual sine wave, it's like random steps, so you can hear it more pronounced. And that thing, you know, which make it sounds like a lo-fi detuned organ is happening here in modulation oscillator. It's just really high-pitched voice oscillator. It's ring modulated the first oscillator, and that's it. You can change the pitch to give it like different pitch. Yeah, just small little keys, but I really like them. Yeah, the vocal processing is actually like I don't have lots of plugins, so but again, we used that technique as with synth, like we rendered, not rendered, just take another take of the Robert Manos vocal and like send it to different FXs. Here is the reverb, and nothing moves. Nobody calls, you know, automated volume. So closer to the synth, this reverb is growing. And then here, like we again rendered the reverb on the vocal. Then there is a really cool thing in FL Studio I will show you in a second. You can take any sample, open it in Edison, it's audio editor in FL Studio, and then blur it. For example, okay, let's take this O and let's blur it. What it makes, it's like I think it's granulized it, so it's like divide this sample to many small pieces, and then the algorithm is like warping it in a way and smooth it. So at the end you get like really smooth and, you know, atmospheric pad sound. Like this one. And, you know, you can do it with any sample. And it's really cool. And then what we did, we just, you know, do this kind of stuff, blur it, then we rendered it, reversed it, and put it here. So let's check it out here. And then when the beat drops, it sidechain, like this sound is sidechained by kick. So you know, all those little affixes and transitions are really helping to make track more interesting to the listener and more enjoyable. So yeah.